Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change the app language for TikTok. If you want to change the TikTok language from English to any other available on the platform, it's only take a few steps. First step is open TikTok app on your mobile device. Go to your profile page, tap on profile is the bottom right. Then tap on the horizontal three lines at the screen upper right corner. Scroll down, from there tap on language. From there tap on app language. Tap on the language from the list. And then tap done. Downloading this language, the language of the app will automatically change. If you want to revert to English, it's best to remember all the steps you made to visually and see how long it will take you to do it.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.